Mix cinnamon with vinegar, and you will be surprised what happens in just 5 minutes. When you find out about the benefits of doing this, you will not stop thanking me. In a container, we will start by adding a cup of white vinegar. Then we add a cup of flavoring for floors. Also a tablespoon of baking soda. And finally a tablespoon of liquid soap. We mix everything well until they are integrated, and then take an atomizer jar and pour all the mixture. Now we add a cinnamon stick and let it rest for 20 minutes. And it will be ready to use. If you spray this at home, you will not buy more insecticides again. This preparation is excellent to eliminate any insect in the house, from those annoying mosquitoes, flies, ants, or other pests. You can spray it in every corner of the house where you know they will surround me and fall quickly, since insects do not like this smell. White vinegar is excellent for eliminating ants, and together with cinnamon are the perfect ingredients to ward off flies and cockroaches under your furniture.